Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check does your Redmi 15C support eSIM. Alright, let's begin. We are on the IMEI info page, just like always. Now, we need to type our IMEI number in this bar and now click on check IMEI. As you can see, now we have our Redmi 15C, it appeared right now on the screen. As we scroll down, we can also see some basic information about our device, but we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the basic checks. They are completely for free, so don't worry. And in here, the third option from the top is eSIM compatibility check. We need to click on that. Now click check eSIM compatibility. And now we have our result. As you can see, this device does not support eSIM. Below we can also see the number of SIM cards that are available on this device, and we also have the date on which the report was created at. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.